Hello again, my name is Cord Sangsteak. I'm a design engineer here at Sheldon Manufacturing, and today I am introducing the SMO5CR2 Cleanroom 4-star oven. This product is engineered for high-performance drying and heating applications while maintaining the strictest cleanroom standards. Designed for pharmaceutical, biotechnology, semiconductor, and aerospace applications, the SMO5CR2 provides exceptional uniformity, rapid heat recovery, and cleanroom compatible performance. Now, let's take a look inside the unit. The SMO5CR2 is equipped with an easy open, push button door latch. The first thing you will notice on the door is the door seal coupled with gasket here and gasket here. These provide an excellent seal between inside and outside of your chamber, improving efficiency of your air filter system, along with improving temperature stability and uniformity. The air filter is located here on the right face of your chamber. After prolonged use, this filter will need to be replaced and is available for purchase from our website. For details on how to replace this easily and quickly, please visit your user manual for details. Along with the exterior, the interior of the chamber is also constructed out of stainless steel to help improve longevity of your unit and provide compliance with clean room standards. Now, let's take a look at the back of the unit. The first thing that you will notice is the main power inlet. These units must be hardwired to a properly grounded electrical connection, which we have done so for demonstration purposes. For details on how to connect properly to electrical connection, as well as further electrical safety and installation instructions, including clearances, please visit your user manual. Located on either side of the main power inlet are the external fuse drawers. These are located outside of the unit for easy replacement should you need to do so. Here is the accessory power outlet. This is used to connect a powered exhaust to the exhaust vent located on top. There is also a GN2 purge inlet. This is where you can connect nitrogen or inert gas supply should you want to purge the chamber during operation. Last, you have a digital data logging port located here. Once you've connected your unit to power, it is ready to be turned on using the main power switch located here. These units are newly equipped with a Wattlow PM9 Plus control. For details on how to program and generally use these devices, visit our website for an instructional tutorial video. These units are equipped with an over-temperature limiter function. However, this is handled with the Wattlow. Located on the left and right side of the control panel is the intake and exhaust manual valves. These are operated with a simple hand turn. When it comes to precision, performance, and reliability, the SMO5CR2 Cleanroom 4-star oven is a must-have solution for laboratories across various industries. Why choose the SMO5CR2? It uses EPA filtration to keep sensitive samples protected and to meet ISO Class 5 cleanroom standards. It reduces downtime for faster workflow efficiency and is ideal for use in pharmaceutical, semiconductor manufacturing, biotech, aerospace, and medical device industries.